Bonang said, "Rich men never be ugly." While some of her followers agree with her, some say her comment is inappropriate. South Africans on Twitter recently had a heated debate on whether money has the ability to change women's perception of the physical appearance of a man. Bonang Mathebo and Sizlimo also shared their thoughts. The debate started off when a well-known Twitter user shared his first clear image of himself on Twitter, and his followers had a field day. Known for his clapbacks and shade-throwing habits, Twitter did not hold back from returning the favor, with his friends calling him ugly. "Kodwa vila mu bimpinchsi, but you really are ugly, friend," said Limo. But Bonang disagreed with everyone who said the poor guy was ugly, saying there was no such a thing as an ugly rich man. According to Bonang, men with money can never be ugly. "It's not possible," she added, creating another debate on her comment. While most of her followers agreed with her, some roasted her and said they agreed with her statement, as she was talking from experience. These were some of the comments. "Tell them Wayne Magaro. Even if he looks like a dragon, you'll find yourself complimenting his shadow. His shadow though. The beauty of a man, it's in his pocket. Lol guys, Bonang is right, Yossi. Girls instantly perceive you as attractive when you out. They can have money, but it's their generosity that makes them look good. Ugly guy with money remains ugly no matter how you turn it. Ugly guy with money can't take handsome from a guy that's born handsome. Not possible." Some, however, said her comment was inappropriate, saying she was giving bad advice to young women who looked up to her. "Disgusting advice in a time of such abuse and oppression towards women and children," argued one. What are your thoughts on Bonang's comment?